Oh yeah, do you know who else? First in British equal? Ferb. Phineas and Ferb. He's British and he has green hair.
Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah, he's wonderful. Ashington Mountains.
Miserably. Failed miserably.
Sherlock Holmes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Doctor Who.
George Bush.
George Bush was American. And that puts you down a point.
Failure.
He's George Bush. You want to be known for him.
Only black.
He's British.
Yeah, another fail.
Not that good.
There he is. He was better than Gordon Brown.
Better than your face.
Yeah.
I'm a walker.
Huh?
Considering you're.
Batman!
Oh, come on.
Where's he from?
You get you.
No, he's not.
You're getting back.
Why, he's from Gotham City.
Batman's just a rich ass.
No, it's not.
Basically.
It's New York, just a different title.
Except there's more clowns. No, less clowns.
See, that was a fail.
Have you ever noticed the Batman movie where the Empire State, what they did in Gotham City?
Yeah, that's weird.
Because he was filmed in America, you dumb shit.
Yeah, but when they filmed it,
He's filming you.
I am, and you're fairly miserably.
American is stupid on YouTube.
No, look.
Okay, well, this time. Wait a minute.
They don't film at a place that is not where it takes place. They take out landmarks like guys.
Americans, you can't stop them when you...
Yeah, that was another big fail. I got that all.
Wheatley is British.
Oh, you missed that.
Wheatley from
You missed that, man. Come on. Yeah, look. Watch. Yeah, in your face.
Who else is British?
What do you mean?
Doctor Who's British.
Yeah, you may even miss that.
The One Show.
Look,
Stephen Fry.
use the wall, you stupid.
He's British.
Yeah, that was another fair. That was another big
So
fair.
Isaac Newton discovered gravity.
It's freaking dirty.
Well, he's not. Albert Einstein's German. So Isaac Newton is British because he's a sir.
Alright.
Sir. Leader. The Queen is British.
Oh, really?
Duh!
Well, a few hundred years ago, the Queen would be like Viking.
Viking. What the fuck?
We like the
Oh,
Japanese.
you still missed.
We like the Japanese are amazing. They have weird hair.
Oh, man. Oh, you can't even fucking climb that. Oh, failure. Screw fucking cheating, you fucking bastard.
Are you applying for one of
Oi, you finally got it, you... I'll just fucking kill you. Stop fucking filming you. You're an ass, I don't think it's on the back. You bastard. You boy, you fat. Oh! Yeah. Okay. Try again, shall we? Try again. Right, you're getting cocky. Yeah, run away like an American. Ass. Oh, you missed that. Yeah, run. Yeah, you can't even... you can't even throw. What was that?
Hello, YouTube. Smile.
You just got owned again. I'm training him how to play football.
Hey, right, yeah, right, guess what? Your mum.
That's not very nice. Oh, you can found that one.
You didn't hit the side of the bar.
You know what? That's it.
The sanitizer.
Get off my ball. Bang.
I think my ball.
I didn't touch your balls. I'm not even near them. Yeah, I don't want to know. Well, that means you're going to die. Understand? Yeah, that's right. Was... Run the back. Oh,
I'm going to get right here.
You turned out to be a long video.
Not really.
I'll throw my phone at you. Are you going to be that cocky, are you?
Keep back.
That's it.
You went to sleep at about
Chair?
12.
Okay. You want to play chair? I have a history. You want to play chair? Yeah, well, I've got a table, you know. Bloody table. Table versus chair. Well, which is going to win? Let's both kill it. Failure.
It's not that.
What? Failure. I want the hard one.
Hey,
I want the hard ball. Sorry, I hate this one. Oh, that's just so unrealistic. It's not a bloody machine gun.
It's a gun in England.
Americans are so pathetic.
Your name? It's the book.
Yeah, bastards. Yeah, you know that one. Yeah, I think a machine gun's falling apart, you know?
Governor.
It's like you've just been hanged on a spike or something. Or maybe on a stake. Jesus, that one.
Alright, 7 o'clock, that's very expensive. That's very expensive.